All right, what's up? I haven't given you guys a normal video. Hold on, let me unplug my door real quick. All right, so like I said, I didn't do a live trade video today. I'll do one for you guys tomorrow. But as you can see at the top, I took my trade today. I lost 250. Um, I'm improving my psych, so I'm working on just doing one trade a day. Literally one trade a day, one setup a day. Win or lose, no matter what, lockout. Um, so yeah, let's get into it. So coming into the day, man, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I was completely like bearish. And like after today, I'm really considering reconsidering trading Mondays because you guys are gonna see. I'm just gonna break you. Like this is my first time doing this, so well, I did this last time and it was horrible. So I'm gonna try and do it a little bit better and a little bit more in depth. Last time I was just like just chatting, literally stuff like that. Oh shit, that fucked it up. All right. Um, I want to get everything. All right, whatever, bro. So as you guys can see, make this purple. So as you guys can see, we have this huge opening gap, right, from like new week opening gap. So like my overnight sessions, we killed it. We went up. We continue to go up. Like literally open it at all time highs, above all time highs, if anything. So I was expecting us to come down and fill this opening gap, or at least come somewhere near it, at least to this 4 hour fair value gap that we have. Uh, oh shit. Yeah, at least down here to this 4 hour fair value gap, or somewhere. Hold on, guys. My fault. My cat was being loud. I don't want to wake up my roommates. But I was expecting us to come down here and at least touch this opening gap or somewhere close, right? Or at least take out these previous session highs and lows. Um, well, we already took out the previous session highs, but tap these previous session lows. You know what I mean? Like even right here, we have equal lows right here on the 30 minute, well, or relative equal. You know what I mean? Like we have so many draws to the sell side. So my bias for today was bearish, obviously, as it should be, right? Because you can't predict this continuous up movement, right? So got on the charts around 9:30. Marked out previous session highs and lows. I noticed all the highs have been hit, and plus, like my bias was automatically bearish, so I just kind of like leaded them. And I just kept the lows: Asia low, London low, and the New York open low. Because we didn't tap that at all, right? So come to the so after this, right? I was just watching price for a good minute. I want to say 30 minutes or so. So let's go to the 5 minute just to speed things up. So, we're in this accumulation zone. We were in this accumulation zone for the longest, just accumulating, just accumulating, just accumulating. And then we had a break. And before we had that break, I scaled down to the 1 minute, right? And I'm just going to delete these signs. As you guys can see, this is the trade that I took on the 1 minute, but just act like it's not there, right? So, like I said, we have this accumulation zone. We're literally accumulating, right? Immediately, we made this high. So this high was a area of interest for me. So meaning like if like we move the butt, like what I wanted, my scenario, what I wanted to play out was I wanted us to take out this high, and then after we sweep this high, we go down lower. Didn't play out like that, but you can see. So look, accumulating this high and this low, they were areas of interest. So if we took out this low, I would have been looking to take out at least London and Asia low. You know what I mean? But we didn't get that. We went up. We went out of this accumulation zone right here. So I'm just gonna draw this up for you guys. So I want to say I'll draw it to here. Let me see. Well, we got this accumulation zone right here, right? And then up here, we got this manipulation. Like we manipulated these highs right here. We manipulated to this high right here. So after this, I entered off of I was just waiting to see. I was waiting to get more confirmation to go lower, man. Um, we swept this high, literally. I marked out this high right here because this is where I was gonna put my stop. It is where I put my stop. And then down here, um, what the fuck is this? Oh, this is that high. I'm tripping. I'm tweaking. Right. So now I'm like now after I saw this accumulation, I saw the manipulation. I was just waiting to see. Okay, give me confirmation that we're gonna go down. So what do you know? Right here, we get a change in CSID, change in state delivery. Right here, right? And boom, I entered right off of the candle close. I entered right off of the candle closure. I could have waited and got a little bit of a better entry. Like I could have just waited for price to retest, retest it, but it didn't even really matter to me. I was just trying to, just pull the trade off. I didn't want to miss this trade. You know what I mean? And like I said, I thought we were gonna go lower. Um, and where I was targeting was, hold on, this is bothering my OCD. I was targeting just a two RR trade. So nothing crazy. I was contemplating targeting at least just New York open low. Um, just thinking about it. I was just thinking about it. But like I wasn't just trying to be greedy. This was like a $500 trade, and this take profit would have just made it an extra $30. So I was like, it ain't even worth it. Like if I'm gonna move stop loss, I might as well target London low. But bro, the trade was playing out well. We were in drawdown for a good little bit, but then we started making that move down. And when we started making that move down, I was going to de-risk, but I was like, nah, what I'm saying? We're not close enough. I want to at least sweep this low before I at least go into break even, right? I wanted to sweep here before I went into break even, right? And literally within like seconds, bro. One huge, like this one candle, like that. That's what I mean by Mondays, bro. Like you can't predict this. Like did everything right, followed the strategy, was patient. I didn't rush any trade. This was my setup, bro. I got everything I wanted. I got the accumulation. I got the manipulation to the upside. I got a clear change in state delivery, entered off of the candle closure, got a good stop, good RR, good draws on liquidity. I could literally target all three. I could have targeted to Asia lows. Asia lows down here literally has equal lows. I could have literally target Asia lows right here. Equal lows down here for like a crazy ass trade, but I was, you know what I'm saying? Like, and when you're in the position, like, and you're actually going through the market, like what I'm saying, you're doing this analysis, you're like, no way this shit doesn't play out the way it does. Like how are we not going to go take out all these draws in liquidity and keep going up? But that's just trading for you. But yeah, man, did everything right, man. I'm not even mad. Well, I am mad because like pretty stupid that we just go up out of the blue. There's no news, no nothing. Like out of the blue, we just shoot right back up. But yeah, bro, it is what it is. It's what comes with it. Um, so yeah, I just took my 250 L on the day. Honestly, I'm not even gonna look for another trade today. And I don't know. I'm really contemplating about trading on Mondays from now on because like every time I lose a bullshit trade, it's on a Monday. You know what I'm saying? And the news lineup for this week is pretty. It's pretty. It's pretty compact. Next week is even crazier. Yeah. Oh yeah. Next week. I was thinking about next week, not this week. But Powell is speaking Wednesday. I heard somewhere that Powell is speaking Wednesday, or is that next Wednesday? Let's see. Powell may be speaking this Wednesday. If Powell is speaking this Wednesday, I won't be trading at all. I'm just going to lock out. But yeah, Mero. I just wanted to give you guys a trade recap tomorrow. Tomorrow I would try to give you guys a live trading video so you guys could walk through it with me and all that stuff. But yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys also aren't in the Discord, make sure you join the Discord. I'm gonna leave the description down in the bio. It's completely free. And yeah, man. Uh, have a great day. See you guys later.